Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup AWS Secrets Manager for data science pipelines step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Secrets Manager service. Locate the secrets you need to backup. Select the secret you wish to export. Click on the Secret Details option. Take note of the key value pairs present in the secret. If your secret has multiple versions, ensure you have noted the version ID. Now, open your preferred data storage solution for the backup. You can choose Amazon S3, a local file system, or a database. Create a new file or entry for the backup. Use a structured format, such as JSON or CSV, for easier access. Copy the key value pairs from AWS Secrets Manager and paste them into your backup file. Make sure to include the version ID if applicable. Once the data is transferred, save the backup file securely. Consider encrypting your backup file for added security. Next, create a backup plan for regular updates. Set a schedule to review and backup changes in your secrets. You may automate this process using AWS Lambda functions. Review the backup to ensure all necessary secrets are stored. Finally, perform periodic tests to verify the integrity of your backup. This ensures that your data science pipeline can always access the needed secrets even in case of a failure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.